Good morning, students. Chapter 3 Whole Numbers. Let's continue exercise 3.2. Question number 11. Using properties of multiplication, find the product. First sum 8 multiplied by 7895 multiplied by 125. So students, here are three numbers. All these are whole numbers given. We have to multiply and find the product. So here I'll be use associative property of multiplication, because here same operation it is given, multiplication. To make my calculation easy, I'll be make the group of these two numbers. I'll be write in the bracket. So 8 multiplied by 125, I'll be write in the bracket, multiplied by 7895. On solving that, 8 multiplied by 125, answer is 1000. Then I multiplied by 7895. The result is 78,95,000. This is the answer. Next question of this same 11th one. 8,325 multiplied by 101. Here I'll be use distributive property. For distributive property, I'll split this number. Out of both, we can split any one. So here, make our calculation easy. I split this 101. So I'll be write 8,325 multiplied with, I can split, so I can write 100 plus 1. So here I'll be use the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So first I multiply this with 100, then I'll multiply with 1. So 8,325 multiply with 100. Which operation between? Addition. Then 8,325 multiply with 1. First I'll be apply here. So product of 8,325 by the 100, my result is 8,32,500. Then I'll be get the product of these two. So simple, that is 8,325. So on adding these both the numbers, my result is 8,40,825. So this is the answer. Coming to next question, question number 12. Using distributive property of multiplication and simplify. First part of this question, 397 multiplied by 27 plus 397 multiplied by 13. As using the distributive property, first we will see in this question which number is common. So common number is 397. That I'll be write out of the bracket first here. That is multiplied by these both the numbers. So I'll be write multiplied by which number? 27 and 13. That I'll be write in the bracket. Which operation between? That is plus. So I'll be write over here. Got by that? Now on solving that, 397 multiplied by opening the bracket, first I'll be add these two. So 27 plus 13 equal to 40. So on multiplication 397 and 40, my answer is 15,880. So as using the distributive property, I got the answer 15,880. Move to the next part of this question. 54,279 multiplied by 92 plus 8 multiplied by 54,279. As using the distributive property, first we'll see which number is common here. So here common number is 54,279. That I'll be write out of the bracket here. That we have to multiply. Multiplied by 92 and multiplied by 8. Can you see here? And which operation between? That is plus. So I'll be write plus here. Then on solving that, first I'll be write 54,279 multiplied by, as I open the bracket, first I'll be add. So on adding 92 plus 8, I'll be get 100. Then 54,279 I'll be multiply. So I'll be get 54,27,900. So here the answer is, on using the distributive property, that is 54,27,900. Move to the question number 15. Find the least number which should be subtracted from 27,583 so that the difference is exactly divisible by 35. For the solution, we have to divide 27,583 by 35. So let's see here. I'll be divide this 27,583 by 35. First I'll be take 7 times. So 35 sevens are 245. So 245 subtracted from 275. So remaining is 30. 8 I'll be carried down. So now 308. So 35 8s are 280. So 280 subtracted from 308. Remaining is 28. Now I'll be carry down 3 right over here. So it become 283. Now again 8 times. So 35 8s are 280. So I'll subtract 280 from 283. 3 is a remainder. So if I'll be subtract 3 from 27,583, so answer is 27,580. That means this number exactly divisible by 35. So which number I'll be subtract from that? This is 3. So answer is 3. This is the least number. If I'll be subtract, so this number will come 27,580. That is exactly divisible by 35 because 788 as I multiplied by 35, answer will come 27,580. So which is the least number? Least number only, that is 3. If I'll be subtract from 27,583, so the number which will become, that will exactly divisible by 35.